Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. Triglyceride. Yeah. This is the code number 121175. Triglyceride. This pack is used to determine the triglyceride level in human blood or serum. This kit consists of R1 triglyceride reagent 5 into 11 ml, R2 triglyceride reagent 5 into 4 ml. This kit is compatible with all Erba machines. This is a C certified product and you can find IVD marking over here, and this should be stored in 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. To maintain the temperature, I am placing it in an ice pack. At the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to show you the side view of the pack. This is the brand name Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack, and this is the top view. To summarize it, this kit consists of R1 triglyceride reagent 5 into 11 ml, R2 triglyceride reagent 5 into 4 ml. Thank you.